Hello friends, today's our topic is animation. In animation, water wave effect. Let's go how to do water wave effect. File, new file, animation. Animation 3.html. .html is for saving purpose we are using .html. It is saving. Now shift 1, press enter. Then automatically structure of HTML5 is in this way it was appeared. Then in body we will give div tags. Why we are giving div tags? Div tags means it's in div tag it's for dividing the page. For dividing page we are using div tags. For that purpose we are using div. In div inside class we are using wrapper. And next we will copying same content by using shift alt upper arrow or lower arrow. That is the shortcut for copying. Wrapper wave. We are creating two div classes here, wrapper and wave. Next in heading we will create the style tag. In style tag here we will give body. In body we will modify the CSS properties. Here we will give the CSS properties. Background, here we will give background as this. Height and position, these all are mandatory for this effect. Left top 50 px. Transform is translate. It's a percentages. Border radius is overall 5 px. Background image, it's linear gradient. Overflow is hidden. We already describe classes in div tags in body. So for classes in CSS we are giving dot wave. That means for class dot we are representing class as dot in CSS. It's 1000 px. I just run without debugging. Choose to edge. Wow, it's working. First wafer is it's working wafer. Just we will give wave. For wave, these are also mandatory. Left P 50x. Sorry, it's 50% is margin left. Minus 500 px. Margin top. It is also same as the above margin left. Next, border radius. It's 35%. Background here we will give some particular color, then only it will visible as wave. RGBA. Just we will customize this number, this one. We will give all 255 here. 3 colors as 255 and alpha is .75. Next we will give the animation. For animation, one thing is very important. I already told you previous video. If anyone didn't see the previous video, just check it once. Go through the channel and check it once. For what I told, for animation, at the keyframes is main important. Without keyframes, animation won't work. From transform, wait a second. Transform, rotate 0 degrees. Just here also we will copy paste For copy pasting in VS Code, Shift Alt up arrow or down arrow. It's a good tricks. Just follow this channel. I will give these type of tricks related to Visual Studio. These are the final output, final code it is. Now I save this code. That means we will give here as background color black, means it is changing as black. Save it, refresh it once, so its background is changing.